Hi guys, another day in me shooting and stuff, like me in this game. I just got VIP and I'm really excited. See, I am VIP. My piggy bank is here, even though I have nothing except for that. I'm not gonna do that now because I don't want all of my, coins going to waste. So what I thought I was gonna do is I was going to, just do a, video about me doing new outfits and stuff. So right here I have like papers and stuff, and from the papers I have to dress up, as a person. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm gonna, get paper because I have my bowl ready and I have it set right here, but I need the paper. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Get a piece of paper and then just put it into different sections. Oh, I'm not even using scissors. I'm just going in my hand. Okay, so the different categories will be tomboy, girly girl and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put them in these huge pieces of paper. I'll just do them because I need to, purchase the outfit. I already look like a tomboy, but yeah. Just gonna remove everything. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna keep the same shirt on. Like girly girl. Like natural and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna yeah. And yeah. So yeah. So now I'm done with this. Now I'm just gonna put these in a cup. So I'm just gonna put these in a cup. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay. So now I have these in a cup with nothing inside because no one wants that to happen. So yeah, I'm just putting it in here. And I'm gonna mix them up to see what I have to do. And I picked this one and it is, so my first thing I have to do is a girly girl. Okay, so we're gonna have to look for clothes of a girly girl. And I could literally have anything I want because I could literally just do this and I can get VIP stuff, so that's good. Oh, what's that? Okay, so I'm gonna do girly girl. Girly girl. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Girly girl. I'm gonna be a girly girl. And I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Cause ooh, this is cute. Is this a girly girl? Look. Say this. Yeah. Okay. So let's just get this top like a lilac type thing. Like that. Oh my gosh. And now let's just, get yeah. But I don't know if I should just go to the top and check if there's anything. Sorry if I sneeze a lot in this video. I have allergies, so yeah. Let's go to shorts because I really want shorts. I don't want pants and stuff. No, this would be athletic. I can't have that. Can I have these? Yeah, those are girly, right? Oh my gosh, I took my top off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think this looks like a girly girl. Much more. No, I think this does. I'm just gonna change her into like a light blue, just like that, or like a green or something. Okay, and what is this? If I can make it all white, yeah, like that. Okay, so that is my outfit right now, but I still need my footwear, which is like my shoes. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. But they're too expensive, so I'm trying to stay on a budget here. Not trying to spend all my coins, even though I have 41,341 coins. Not trying to show off, but I am also not trying to waste my money. And yeah. I think I like these shoes. They're like really cute and stuff. And I already have a hair, so I'm not going to worry about my hair. These are my friends that are right here. I have more. What is this? Like, what? Oh, these are for the bottom. I think I'm just going to have them white, and like this is going to be like plain, just black. And then, yeah, so I'm just going to buy it all. It's exactly $1,000. So, but that's okay. Okay, so now I have to change my outfit. Yeah, I'm just going to change it. So what is this? I have no idea what that is. Oh, so you could have like different eyes, different makeup, different noses, different mouths, different. I found it! I found it! Oh my gosh! Okay, I found it! 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 Because I had to do an activity, so yeah, I found it. So I'm just gonna claim that. Okay. So now let's just find an outfit. So I think I need to just like remove the. Okay, so that's like good, I guess. Yeah. I'm trying to find. Okay, this is my girly, like my girly one, but I also have like this one. I think this one looks better. But it doesn't really show girliness. Like that does. That definitely does. And you'll see if I have like purses. I have like a lot of beanies. I have like a lot of like not girly clothes because it's me. So yeah. Should I wear my cat ears? No, they don't really. Oh my gosh, my hair. Oh my gosh, can you please get off? How do you take these off? Okay, fine. Should I have my bubble gum? No, I don't think I should. I have to put my hair back on because I can't be bald. But I'm gonna see if I have like any dresses and stuff. Like if I had any dresses, because a girly girl always wears dresses like this. But I guess like that's like tomboy and a girly girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? No, I think the shoes. I think like if I had like other shoes, like these or something, that looks better. I don't know. So is that like a girly girl? Comment down below. I don't have my looks. I have no idea why I was drinking, but however I do. I have my nerd, the birthday girl, and yeah. But I'm just gonna, you know. Yeah, no. And I'm also gonna change my. Okay, so that's the first. That's my girly girl thing. Now the second one is. So I have like athletic and stuff. I have like athletic and stuff. And this one is athletic. So finally I got to do one that's athletic and not a girly girl. So yeah. Let me see. Okay, now I know what I'm gonna do now because I just like have everything already like planned out. So I know I'm gonna wear these. No, I'm gonna have to like go shopping. Even though like I already know where like everything is and stuff. But I still need to like shop because I still really need to get the perfect pants and stuff. So I'm gonna go to the pants or the bottoms and get like my pants and stuff. Need to get my shorts. But I love this outfit. Like it's not Like, I love it. Another thing I have to say. I don't really like these. I love these. So I think I'm gonna get these. And what about a shirt? Is there like a top that really does represent one? And if not, no, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna I need to hurry up. Because I still need to do 3. Alright. And then I need to I'll do this. And just okay. So I know for a fact that I'm gonna be wearing this top with that bottom. And now I just need like a hair and stuff. So my hair, I think is gonna go in a ponytail. Like there's nothing really else to say about it. Either it's either gonna go in a ponytail or in these braids. I think I should pick those braids. I don't know if I should have like a hat on or something like this. No, I don't think. But now I just need my shoes, which are these. These are like my go-to outfit socks. I mean, outfit shoes, socks. What am I talking about? So this is my outfit for my athletic. And now I need to do tomboy, which I don't really need anything because I could just go here and just do everything that I really need. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get what I have, and then get that. So I already know what I'm gonna put on. I'm probably just gonna put on like, oh no, not those shoes. Oh no! Okay. So now I just need to find my, my shirt and stuff. I think I'm gonna wear this one, but I'm not sure. Think I'm gonna wear. I wanna wear this one and I wanna wear this one. Curse me on my good choices. You know what? I'm just gonna wear that with some pants, with some white pants, and like a typical, like this is just like a home down like outfit. And I'm just to top it all off. We have a beanie. Oh, and we need shoes. Can't be footless. And I think I want to wear these slippers. They look so cute. But it's athletic. I think I'll just wear these. This is my tomboy outfit. But I think like it's also like my comfy, outgoing outfit, you know. But now I'm gonna go to animation because I really want to pick out a new animation. So yeah. I was like, oh, I want this one. Okay, I already know which one I'm gonna get. Chair like no other. I'm gonna buy it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And there, I just bought it. Oh, there's no sound. Okay, there. And now I'm just gonna go like a shopping spree. Because like this is like so nice. Like I love this. So nice. I'm gonna do other poses like this basketball one. Switch it up. No, I don't like that one. I think I like fighting. I'm gonna check out the fighting one. And I think I'm just gonna use the one that I have. This one. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the one. Where was it? What I chose? I don't know. I left it. Okay, chair like no other. I'm so peaceful. Perfect. So that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a thumbs up and like and subscribe and comment what was your favorite outfit. Was it the girly girl? Was it the tomboy? Or or was it the athletic one? Comment down below, guys. Bye. See you next time.